The National People's Party National Vice President and Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Prestone Tynsong, on Friday said the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 government is intact and will complete the full 5-year term. The current dispensation, as far as the state government is concerned, we are all intact and we are all committed. We will complete the whole term of 2023 up to 2028, Tynsong told reporters.
The present dispensation, as far as state government is concerned, we are all intact, and then we are all committed. We will complete the whole term of 2023 up to 28. They are our closest friends, so we will continue. We will see together.